Let's write now names of animals, joining letters, okay? Good. Look, which is the best animal you like? Your little pussycat, yes. So let's write first cat. C A T cat. Let's write the C capital. Alright? C A T cat. Who gives you milk, children? Cow. Very good. Let's write C O W cow. Can we write the C capital? Yes. C O W. Cow gives us milk. Who guards your house? Cat. Dog. D O G dog. Shall we write the D capital? D O G dog. Next, fox, cunning fox. Remember the story? The cunning fox? Yes, look. F O X fox. Now, let's write the F capital. F O X fox. Lots of stories about fox, you know. Fox and the grapes. Good. Let's write our next set of animals. Now, you know the story of bear? Yes. Let's write bear. B E A R. Where do you see bears? At the zoo. Yes. Let's write the B capital. B E A R. Bear. There are brown bears, white bears too. Good. Next. What's the next one? Lion. Big lion. Where does he live? In the jungle. L I O N. Lion. Let's write L capital. L I O N. Lion. Which is the next terrible animal. Tiger. Let's write tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. Let's write the T capital. T I G E R. Tiger. Which is the next animal? Wolf. The bad wolf. Good. W O L F. Wolf. Let's write the W capital. W O L F. Good. Let's write our next set of animals. Okay? Now, this is an animal that eats the leftover of the flesh left by other animals. That's called hyena. Yes. H Y E N A. Hyena. Can we write the H capital? H Y E N A. Hyena. What's the next animal we'll write? Deer. Good. It's a very sweet little animal. D E E R. Deer. Nice spots he has on its body. Let's write the D capital. D E E R. Deer. But the next animal we'll write? Sheep. What does the sheep do? Give us wool. Sheep gives us wool when it is cold. S H E E P. Sheep. Shall we write this capital? Look. S H E E P. Sheep. And next, zebra. It's a beautiful animal. Where do you find? At the zoo. Z E B R A. Z E B R A. Zebra. Let's write the Z capital. Z E B R A. Zebra. Our next set of animals. Which animal lives in the desert? Camel. Very good. Let's write C A M E. Let's write the C capital. C A M E L. Camel. Alright. The next animal we'll write horse. You like to take a ride on a horse? Yes. H O R S E. Horse. Let's write the H capital. H O R S E. Horse. You like to take a ride on a horse? Good. Next. What's the next animal you'll write? Yak. Where do you find yak? In the right up in the Himalayas, cold places, full of hair. Animal with full of hair. Y A K. Yak, a lovely animal full of hair. Let's write the Y capital. Y A K. Yak, animal with full hair, lovely one. Good. The next animal we'll write. Mouse. Where does the mouse live? Mouse lives in a hole in the dark places. M O U S E. Mouse. Let's write M capital. M O U S E. Mouse. Good. Hi children, let's write the next set of animals. That's a very dangerous little round animal. It's got all sharp things on its body. When it shakes, it'll come and hurt us. Porcupine is the name of that animal, a very dangerous animal. Porcupine. P P O R C U P I N E. Porcupine. I-N-E. Let's add the P capital. P O R C U P I. Porcupine. Porcupine. What's the next animal we'll write? Let's write elephant, the huge animal you love, isn't it? Elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Elephant is a big, huge animal. It's got a long nose. Yes? Elephant. Let's add the E capital. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Next, what animal you like? Monkey. You like monkey? Yes. Let's write monkey. Where does the monkey live? On the tree. He loves to swing from tree to tree. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Let's write M capital. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Next, what animal shall we write? Kangaroo. What's a kangaroo? Where does he live? He lives in the forest in Australia. He has a pouch to keep the little Joey. K A N G A R O O. Kangaroo. This is a special animal with a pouch in front to carry its little baby Joey. Let's write the K capital. K A N G A R O O. Kangaroo.